Hello, today we're going to have a look at the circumference of a circle. Now, the perimeter of a circle is called the circumference, okay? So we just have a different word for the perimeter of a circle. It is the circumference. Now let's learn how to calculate the circumference. So there are two formulas, okay? So here we could start off with the circumference C is equal to pi times d, okay, where C is the circumference and d is the diameter. Okay, now pi is the number 3.1415 and it keeps on going. So here I've got this formula. The second formula is C is equal to 2 pi r. Okay, now this is actually the same formula because, well, I know that the diameter is actually the same as 2 radii. Okay, so it's the same formula. So this is where C is the circumference and where r is the radius of the circle. Okay, so if we remember exactly what these are in the circle, okay, so if I have the center here, this is the radius, okay, and if I had a circle here, and it goes through the center, this is the diameter. Okay. All right. Now let's do a couple of examples. Okay, so we're going to calculate the circumference of the following. Okay, so if I had a circle with a diameter of, say, 10 centimeters, okay, where O is the center of the circle, okay, I'd go, well, I'd look at which formula should I use. I've been given a diameter. So I'll go C is equal pi d. So that is pi times the diameter, which is 10. Okay, so I'm going to put this in my calculator. So I go pi times 10 equals, and I'll get an answer of 31.4159, and it keeps going. Now, in the question, okay, they gave centimeters, okay, 10 centimeters. So often if they don't tell you when to round to what was given in the question. So because it was to the nearest whole centimeter in the question, for the radius, I'll say, well, this would equal to 31 centimeters nearest centimeter. All right. Now let's do another one. If I had a circle here where O is the center, and they gave me a radius of, say, 42 centimeters. Okay, so here I've noticed that they've only given me a radius. So I'm going to do the second formula here. C equals 2 pi r. So I'll go C equals 2 pi r. So I'll go 2 times pi times my radius of 42, Okay, 42 is my radius. Okay, just where in the other one I had 10 as my diameter. So I'm putting this in my calculator right now, and I get an answer of 263.8937, and it keeps on going. Now, once again in the question, it was only given to the nearest centimetre, so I'm going to round, okay, to the nearest whole number. Okay, so I'll go 264 centimetres, okay, nearest centimetre. Okay, thank you for listening. So the key here is to make sure you identify whether you have the diameter or the radius, because that will tell you which of these two equations you're going to be working with. Thank you for listening, and good luck with your questions.